Alright guys, welcome back to another Crow video, another Crypto.com video. We're going to talk about this article right here. Should you buy the Crypto.com coin in December 2021? So let's get right into this article. So, alright, Crypto.com coin, Crow, remained in a tight range in the overnight session as investors reflected on the moves by its parent company. The coin is trading at about 70 cents, which is about 27% its highest point in November. Crypto.com's acquisitions. Crypto.com is a mid-sized cryptocurrency with big ambitions. The Singapore headquartered company was started a few years ago and it counts Matt Damon as one of its investors. Its domain name was previously a blog whose owner sold it for about $25 million. That's insane. Imagine just selling a domain name for $25 million that you just paid, $5, $10 for. Very, very cool. Now, in the past few months, Crypto.com has made several major announcements. First, it announced a major deal to become a leading sponsor of Formula One. Its logo is now on one of the most prominent brands in the races. This was an important move because of the rising popularity of the sport. Second, the company also announced a deal to become a sponsor of UFC. Again, this is a popular fighting sport in the US. Everybody's heard of the UFC, Dana White, Conor McGregor, all those big heavyweights. This is an amazing partnership. In November, the company made two major announcements. First, it decided to launch a major marketing blitz worth more than $100 million. This campaign is now featuring some of the best-known celebrities. At the same time, the firm announced a $700 million deal to get the license of Staples Center, home of the Los Angeles Lakers. So we've spoken about this many times, how it's going to be changed to Crypto.com Arena on December 25th on Christmas Day. These investments in sports are important for the company. For one, they will make it more popular among young people, and most importantly, it will help it become a major brand in NFTs. Crypto.com also made headlines on Wednesday this week when it announced it would acquire two exchanges from IG Group. It will spend more than $200 million, it was about $215 million to acquire Nadex and Small Exchange. Alright, so I did a video on this last night, guys. If you want, please go check it out. Crypto.com price. So the Crypto.com coin price had an excellent month in November. The performance pushed its market cap to more than 16 billion and its ranking to about 14th. We've been in 13th and 14th playing back and forth, and we even went to 12th for a brief moment when we passed Shiba Inu, but now we're back at about 14th. So recently, however, the momentum has faded and the coin has fallen by double digits. Indeed, it reacted mildly to the acquisitions made on Wednesday. The coin is hovering at the same level as the 25-day and 50-day moving averages. If you've been following my channel, you know by now I'm a huge fan of Crypto.com. I'm always looking to pick up more. I'm watching the price action very closely right now as we're dipping below the 70 cents. Currently right now on CoinMarketCap.com, we can see we're down about 3.5%. 69-cent range, volume coming down by 43%, global crypto market coming down by 1.22% in the 2.59 trillion. So we went below that 2.60 trillion market cap. So it looks like we could be heading lower again, maybe going back to that 255 level. Now, I believe that Crypto.com is going to go up and we will hit $1 by the end of the year, but I think we're going to come down a bit, probably to like I'm thinking the low 60s, 61, 62 cents, and by that point people are just going to jump right in and pick up those dips. I know that's what my plan is. If we start to hit the low 60s, I'm going to jump in, add more to my position, do some dollar cost average, and have a great night. So hopefully that's going to happen. I'm thinking it could happen tonight during the overnight period when it starts to get a little slower in those wee hours of the morning. But regardless, I have tons of videos talking about Crypto.com, all the many partnerships that they have done over the course of November / December, as we just started into doing that deal with the two exchanges for $215. So guys, all I wanted to do was just a quick update going over that article on do you think it's a buy for December? I believe it's a fantastic buy, Crypto.com, for December, anytime actually, especially in this price range. However, not financial advice. So if you like this video, drop a like, turn on post notifications, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.